Dear students, today we'll start the seventh chapter of geography, that is our country, India. In this chapter, we'll study about India. Basically, we'll come to know about geographical location and its location on the globe and various kinds of physical features of India. So let's start the topic. India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bounded by the lofty Himalayas. In the northern part of India, Himalayas series is there, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and Indian Ocean in the south wash the shores of the Indian peninsula. What is peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. We can see in this map, easily we can understand this one. See, this is the Arabian Sea on the west, and on the east this is Bay of Bengal, and south this is Indian Ocean. So this is a piece of land. It is surrounded by water from three sides, so it is known as peninsula, right? And in north, this is the Himalayas. This is the Himalayas. In this complete region, this is the Himalayas. The expansion of Himalayas approximately 2400 kilometers. 2400 kilometers. This is the length of Himalayas, right? It is one of very important physical feature of India. So we can see an Indian subcontinent with the neighboring countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka, and here Maldives also. So these are the important neighboring countries of India. Further, India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. This is the area of India, and in area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Seventh largest country in the world in area, and second in population after China. The north-south extent and from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3200 kilometer, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2900 kilometer. The lofty mountains, great Indian desert, northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and coast and islands present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife as well, in the language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores. At this time, it is approximately 130 crores, right? 130 crores since the year 2011. This is about 2011. It is the second most populous country in the world after China, as we have discussed about this, and we can find out the location and about the physical features of the country. Here, with the help of this map, we'll see this area is completely covered by mountainous region, and this is the northern plain. This is the northern plain. This is the plateau region. This is Indian desert, great desert. This is plateau, including this region, and these are the coastal region, eastern coast, and this is western coast. Clear? This is Indian desert. Here these are the northeastern states. So different features are there of the country, physical division, and these are the islands: Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. Now we'll see the next topic: locational setting. India is located in the northern hemisphere, completely northern hemisphere. This is the earth. 0-degree equator divides entire earth into two equal halves: northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So India is located here, And what is the location of India on latitudes? 8 degree 4 minutes, southernmost point of India, of mainland of India, and 37 degree 6 minute northern latitude. And from here, this is the 0 degree longitude, and from here if we count, 68 degree 7 minute, 68 degree 7 minute, and east, and to 97 degree 25 minute eastern longitude. So this is the location of India on the longitudes as well as latitudes. Latitudinal division of any area indicates the climate, and longitudinal location of any country indicates the time zones. So we can read this line that as is the difference between these 2 points, eastern and western points, about 2 hours. As you have learnt earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. So to cross one longitudinal distance, it takes 4 minutes, right? It takes 4 minutes. So the extent of India is from, on the longitude, from 68 degrees 7 minute eastern longitude to 97 degree 25 minute eastern longitude. So this is approximately the difference of 30 degrees. So to cross 30 degrees, sunlight take 1 degree 4 minutes. So for 30 degree, it will take 120 minutes. So 120 minutes, if we will convert into hours, so it will be 2 hours. So if the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the east, means Arunachal Pradesh, the easternmost part of Arunachal Pradesh experiences sunlight, for example, at 4 a.m. in the morning, and the westernmost part of Gujarat will experience the same sunlight at 6 a.m. in the morning. So this is the difference of 2 hours than in the west. You have already read earlier why the local time of longitudinal 82 degree 30 minute east has been taken as the Indian standard time. We have discussed about this in the 6th class. This meridian or longitude is also termed as standard meridian of India because it divides India into 2 equal parts. So it is considered as the Indian standard meridian. Clear? So this is India's neighbors. About this topic we'll discuss now. We have discussed there are 7 countries that share the land boundaries with India. What is the length of land boundary of India? 15,200 kilometer. So this is 15,200 kilometer. This is the length of land boundary of India, right? This is the length of land boundary of India till here. The length of the coastal line of India is 7,516.6 kilometer. This is the length of the coastal line of India. So in this way, we have understood the land boundary and the coastal boundary of India. And these are the neighboring countries as we have discussed. Of these countries from the figure 7.1, how many of these countries do not have access to any ocean or sea? Across the sea to the south lie your island neighbors, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pak Strait. This is the Pak Strait. This is the Pak Strait, India and Sri Lanka. And between India and Pakistan, this is the Red Cliff line. This is the Red Cliff line in this area. This one, Red Cliff line, because India and Pakistan were divided through the order of British government on behalf of Lord Mountbatten Plan. So this was the result of Mountbatten Plan, and McMahon line is there between India and China. So this was about the neighboring countries of India. In the next video, we'll discuss about political and administrative divisions of our country. So till the time you have to see these maps and fill with the help of a blank map. You can fill the map with the help of this map, neighboring countries of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.